Apparently, it's not really hard to make. The only problem is it's expensive and you just gotta be smart. So those two things, a lot of people have a hard time getting the money part because you need a lot of GPUs to have this robot able to process everything in a timely fashion. Do you know how much Microsoft actually put? Did you even know that Microsoft was funding the whole project?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, so apparently in total, Microsoft will be have given them over $10 billion to fund this project. And if you guys were, if you're probably older than 25, you know there was a time where Bing was actually a hot thing where everybody would compete. Google is better than Bing. Bing is better. Honestly, no offense, Google, YouTube. I used to be a big Bing guy. Like I just thought Bing was the next big thing. And by the time I turned 15, Bing was no longer in sight. Everybody was Google, 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 Google. Have
Yeah.
you checked out their new? They finally released it. Have you checked it out yet?
Yeah, I checked it out, but in classic Bing um, characteristics, it was extremely buggy, and there were a lot of issues that I don't know if they didn't test it thoroughly, but the AI was essentially giving out bad data, or it almost seemed as if it was alive. Like people were having issues where the AI almost seems sentient, and we all know from movies, sentient AI is a very bad AI.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, Bing's always been behind the curve when it comes to social search engines. So I guess this was like their way of trying to like making a comeback. But I just think that they didn't take enough time to really perfect the product before releasing it to the public.